Hello, hello student. Hope you all are well. I am Nini Mittal, computer teacher. Today topic is very interesting that create Gmail account. So, do you know about Gmail? Gmail is the way to sending message from one computer to another. Gmail is a great email service. We have to easily use it, give you a lot memory. You can fill picture, videos, or anything want to need send to friends and family with one Gmail account. You're connected to lot of other source run by Google. Almost all which free to use. You can use Google Drive, Google Map, YouTube without needing login to all of them one by one. Just log into one account once and you can fully access Gmail created by Paul Buchet, provided 15 GB storage, owned by Google Incorporate, available in 72 languages, launched on 1st April 2004, having more than a billion user on Google account. Now let's start to create account. Firstly, you have to go on search engine, that is Google, and you have to type Gmail on the address bar. Then you type, here's the page open. That first link you have to see, that you have to click on first link. Then here's the page, home page. It look like that. Then you have to click on create account. Click here. Then this screen will appear. This is the form. You have to fill your information in this form. This form look like that. That name, username, create password, confirm password, birthday, gender, mobile phone number, and you fill the information. That type of information you have to fill, like a first name, last name, username. Check the username, it is available or not. If your username is not available, then you have to choose another one. Then you have to check ability again. Now type to desired password. Password should create with combination like numbers, symbols, alphabets, numeric numbers, and you rewrite your password again, and you check your password is strong or not. Whether it is not strong, you have to modify it. Then you enter your mobile number. Firstly, you have to check your country code. Then you have to type your phone number. You can choose method by using you want to get OTP by message or call. OTP is the full form of one-time password. I think you know about. Fill your personal information like recovery mail, month, day, year, your birthday, and your gender. Then you have to click on next button. Select your location where you live, that you have to select, and character you have to say in the word that for the verification, that called captcha. Now read carefully your term and condition and click on the I agree button. Congratulations, your account is created. Now you have to final click show me my account. This will appear, just wait a few seconds, that pages load. Here is your Gmail ID. I have given a demo of how to create your Gmail account. So let's start how to do it. Firstly, you have to choose new tab. Then you have to put Gmail on address bar. That Gmail you have to write on the address bar. Then click enter. I think page is loaded. Here's the home page, that you have to right corner to see click an account. You have to click over here. Here's the form that you have to fill your information. That put your first name. I'm giving the demo, that's why I'm using the another name. I have so many IDs, that's why I'm using another name. That I choose username. Username should be unique, that won't with any other user. That I'm putting my username. Here I'm putting my username. I'm putting my password here. The secure password, put symbol, uppercase letter, lowercase letter. It's important to choose a strong password. In other words, that it's difficult for someone to guess. Then I'm putting my password here, created with symbol or numeric alphabets. Now I'm repeat, put my password here. Click on the next button. You put your phone number here. Firstly, you have to change your country code, then you have to put your number here. I am putting my phone number for verify. Click on the next button. You will get the PIN verification code to your phone. Put the verification phone number you get in your phone. I'm checking. Verification code is here. I'm putting my verification code. Then click on the verify button. Here's the another detail you have to fill on this form, that recovery mail, birthday and gender. That recovery mail, if you would like to Google to help keep your account secure by email you, if there is used activity happening with your account, enter an alternate recovery mail you have to put here. In my case, I am not putting my recovery mail here. If you want to more secure your account, then obviously you put your recovery mail here. But I am not putting my recovery mail. I am that I am choosing choose month, day, year. That month I am choosing. It is just for demo, that's why I am using XYZ month, date and year. Choosing the gender. Click on the next button. Get more from your number. It is not necessary to read it because it is not important. So you have to skip this page. Now you have to read carefully the privacy and term and conditions, and click on I agree button. The page is load. Here is your Gmail account. Welcome. That click on next. Choose your, by default, your set up your Gmail. That get your mobile, learn to use Gmail. Click on these, choose your theme, choose your profile image. Here's your complete Gmail account. Here's the message given by Google. So you have to choose, or either you have to modify your theme or either your photo. Upload your photo, select your photo here. If you want to choose your photo, I don't have any photo right here, so I cancel this. So your Gmail is created. Go to the inbox button, check your congratulations, you all are set. So here's your Gmail account created. Thank you.